How to add music to a video in Alright Motion. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to enhance your videos with music, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to add audio to your video using the Alright Motion app step by step. So let's get started. First, you need to go to your Alright Motion app on your home screen. Simply tap on it. Once you are here, you can see the plus icon located at the bottom of your screen. You need to tap on that. Then you need to tap on create from scratch over here. Once you have done that, you can see the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. We need to add the video first. So simply tap on the plus icon over here. Then you can tap on the media over here. Now you can select the video that you want to add over here. Let me select this video. Once I have done that, in order to add the audio, you need to tap on plus icon located at the bottom again. Simply tap on it, and once you have done that, you can see the audio options over here. You need to tap on audio option. Then you can tap on view all over here. You can select the songs if you want. Here, I'll select this one. And then you need to tap on the plus icon over here. And now the song has been added at the bottom of your video, and that's it. You have successfully added music to your video in the Alright Motion. Now you can preview your video to see how it sounds. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tips. I'll see you in the next video.